Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Tamanna Awakens, which is a sacred place for healing, introspection, and awakening. In today's episode of Mindful Mondays, I'll tell you the benefits of meditation and why we should keep doing it. Life is a jigsaw puzzle, and every human has descended here to complete his or her past life karmas. We were sent here to fulfill our karmas, to learn our lessons, and then transcend back from this place to meet the divine, to meet our soul's union with the divine, with the universe. But we came here, got stuck with the illusions of Maya Jal, and now all we want is money, fame, sex, all the things that are not a part of life but were experiences and life lessons that we meant to remember and forget after they were completed. But all we know is how to get involved into them, how to escape reality, how to escape death. And all we want is properties. All we are doing is fighting with our relatives. All we are doing is avoiding humans. Is this what we were sent here for? No, but when you lose your anchor, when you lose the balance which was meant to retain you, which was meant to hold you, this is the obvious thing that will happen. That is how meditation prevents you from all the diversions and the deviations. Yes, meditation is such a calm and a mindful practice that helps you not only realize the present but also the awareness and the consciousness that a human needs to know, that a soul needs to know. Do you ever feel that you are there in the moment but somehow there is something missing from you? Somehow you just miss a part, or some yearning is there from your soul. In spite of being tired the whole day, there is a kind of loneliness, a kind of solitude in your bodies, in your hearts and your minds. Even when you are there with your partner, even when you are loved just like the most beautiful person on the earth, even when your family loves you the most, still there would be a void in your heart, and still you would find a place that needs a reciprocation, that needs to meet with the divine. That is our soul yearning for its union with the divine. That is the sacred union that we have always been longing in our life. And that is how we can get back, we can achieve liberation or moksha by practicing meditation. There are so many myths around meditation that you need to sit completely calm. There should be no sound. You should just not even blink your eye. I mean, what about the younger generation who doesn't even know that what meditation is or how simple it can be? Everybody knows that this is Gen Z and the coming generation would be Gen X, or whatever generation they would be. But is there somebody who is guiding them, that you can hold on to your anchor? You can trust on some universal power that no matter how strong the challenge is, no matter how painful the current time is going, but if you have somebody to rely upon, if you have somebody to trust upon, believe me, every single challenge is filled with transformation, is filled with growth, and you pass out with flying colors. But if you would not have anchor, if you would not have something to hold on, if you would not have something to balance yourself on, how would that time go? There are two kinds of people, one who are atheists and one who are pessimists. The people who believe in God, who have trust on the universe, are the ones who find anchors, are the ones who have somebody to rely upon, and the ones who do not believe on universe, who do not believe on God or the universal time, are also the ones who are living their life even more beautifully and equally beautifully. But that's not because they are not believing in God and you are doing something wrong because you are believing in God. That's only because they are way too conscious, and somehow universe finds the most beautiful ways of making these kind of people believe in the miracles, believe in the universe. The sun has been rising since forever, and it will keep on rising no matter if you live or your coming up generations live or not. That is how the universe was created, and this is the most authentic and the most beautiful sign that since many billion of years the sun has been shining the same way. Its light, its brightness has not even faded for a single ounce of energy. So, how can we humans who have transcended on this earth can be just avoid, can be just ignored by the Creator? Let's just remember that every single day when you come and do meditation, when you sit in the calm for yourself, or even when you are not able to sit in the calm, even when you do the Nam Jap, or even when you remember that there is some universal force inside you, there is some power who is running this world in the most beautiful manner, you will start seeing miracles, and that is how you will start attracting a bounty of abundance. So, in spite of running from sitting in silence, in spite of running from all the fears of solitude or loneliness, just remember, one single day, there will be a day definitely when your parents won't be there, when your family will have nobody but just you, when your friends will leave you. And that is the time when your soul will truly yearn and tell you to look into your inside and start meditating. Meditation not only helps you keep anchored, it helps you find your balance, it helps you stay in the moment, it helps you get awakened and arise from all the fears and challenges that come inside you. Even if you're not devotional or not religious, you can be spiritual. You can have a trust which is anchored in the divine, and you can have a trust which is there in some supernatural power in the universe. So, stop getting in the delusions of the Maya. Stop getting stuck inside some or the other pains that will keep on coming forever. But when you're anchored with the most beautiful manner, when you meditate every day without expecting results, when your soul finds an anchor, a balance, your life will become the most beautiful life around the people who have been in your company, and your aura will radiate such positive vibrations and energies. Your aura will be so soothing that everybody around you will start catching on your energies, and they will also start into the path of liberation, into the path of meditation. And if you, as a creator of that universe, are able to turn even one single person into meditation throughout your life, just believe your purpose fulfilled. Just believe your purpose completed, and you have actually transformed one human life into such an anchor that no matter even his confidence, even his wealth, even his family is shattered away, is gone away from him, but he or she will rise into the infinite and will become the universe itself. In the coming episodes, I'll also be teaching you the power of manifestations, the power of miraculous repetition, the power of affirmations, and also various techniques that we can practice for meditation. So do subscribe me if you want to learn more about the mindfulness, the meditation, and the power that arises from within when you start believing in the present and you let your life unfold through its most beautiful manner rather than thinking about the past or the future that will be coming. Until then, take care of yourselves. God bless you all. This is Tamanna signing off for today.